The euphoria around the US-India trade deal has many questions unanswered. The finer details are yet to be finalized, with mixed messages from both the camps creating more uncertainty. Announcing the agreement to lower tariffs on Indian exports to 18% from the earlier 50%, President Trump claimed that India has agreed to halt Russian oil purchases and instead import more from the US and potentially Venezuela. While welcoming the tariff cuts, the Indian government has not officially confirmed a total immediate ban on Russian oil purchase. India did say that it will only buy non-sanctioned oil, but did not specifically comment on Russian oil imports. Moscow has said that they have not received any communication on India halting Russian oil purchases. Amid this uncertainty, the latest data shows that India is still buying Russian oil, albeit at a lower pace. According to data from maritime intelligence firm Kepler, India's imports of Russian crude have hit their lowest levels in over 3 years as of early 2026. Russian crude imports dropped to approximately 1.1 million barrels per day in January this year. It marks the lowest intake since November 2022 and a significant decline from the mid-2025 peak of over 2 million barrels per day. Russia's contribution to India's total crude imports has also fallen to 33.7% during April to November last year. That compared to 37.9% in 2024. Kepler experts still suggest that a complete halt is unlikely in the immediate term because Russian volumes are locked in for the current quarter. India is pivoting to traditional suppliers as sanctioned Russian oil volumes dwindle. Iraq now supplies nearly comparable volumes to Russia, with exports to India reaching roughly 904,000 barrels per day in December 2025. Now, imports from Saudi Arabia, remember, rose to 924,000 barrels per day in January 2026, which was up from 710,000 barrels per day in December. The US share of India's crude imports rose from 4.6% to 8.1% in late 2025. While Trump has indicated that India agreed to cease Russian oil purchases, Kepler forecasts suggest that volumes may soften towards the sub-1 million barrel per day range rather than hitting zero overnight. For India, remember, replacing Russian barrels with market-priced crude is estimated to increase the annual import bill by approximately $3 to $4 billion.